Hello everyone, welcome to the How To channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to fix Instagram post or story glitching. Now guys, have you ever experienced where your Instagram is glitching and you're wondering what could be the possible cause of this? Now today I'm going to be breaking down 3 causes why your Instagram story or post is glitching and how you can fix them. Now for step 1, you want to check your internet connection, as sometimes your internet connection is just what's making your Instagram glitch. So I recommend you go over your internet connection. If you are using a Wi-Fi, check if it's working. Now the second one is to check if there's an update on Instagram, because sometimes this app has released a new update on your Instagram and you don't have it yet. So this could be the possible cause why your Instagram is glitching. Now just head over to your Play Store or your App Store, and then guys, you want to go over there and check if Instagram has an update. Now as you can see, mine has an update, so I'm just going to tap on it and update it. For most people at this point, after the update, their Instagram stops glitching. Now the third one is to go to a website as Down Detector. Now when you go to a website as Down Detector, it detects if an app has issues, if it's down or is up at that particular time. Now if Instagram is down, according to what the Down Detector shows you, you want to just wait it out, as those kind of issues you can't solve it. It's coming from Instagram. So just wait it out and probably in a few hours it should be done. Now guys, I hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe to the How To channel. I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye.